Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
How to show an Excel data table. What's a data table? Data table would be the information here listed on this data chart, and this data information, the numbers are listed within your chart. Let me give you an example of how much of a nuisance this can be. So click anywhere within the chart, hit the chart elements button, and let's just go to data label. Without doing much, you can see this number here or this number here. If we hit the data labels, they correspond to revenues and so on and so forth. That's just noisy. It's a distraction and it's overbearing. We can make it even worse. Just go over, hit this arrow, hit center. There we go. That's worse. Inside, well, you can't see the numbers. Inside base, what is that? Outside end, more confusion. Data call out. Yeah, that's what everybody wants to see. Isn't that horrible? On and on and on. Can we somehow include this data without it being an eyesore? How about we just take a look at data table and look just below. We have a nice configuration. We have our numbers pleasantly displayed and easy to explain just below. Very nice. Just hit data table. You can explain your data without all this noise over here. We can hide this, hide, and now you have a table without all this other distraction on the left. Somebody goes, well, can you support this information? You go, well, certainly. I didn't come here unarmed. Just hit unhide. You go, well, what do you want to know? You can justify these numbers with what's listed here in this income statement.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.